was a time in the middle of the contest that you wanted to walk away. Is that true?
Yes po.
Why?
Yes. Kasi during that time, I was having a very challenging situation sa family po. Nung time na yon, may sakit na yung tatay ko.
Oh.
So parang it's very hard for me to work and then come home and makikita siya na frail.
And he passed on during the contest?
He passed on.
Oo. At ngayong darating na Sabado, ay iniaalay nyo, is that true, ang inyong sayaw sa inyong mga ama?
Yes.
That both of you have lost your fathers.
Yes.
Whose concept was that?
In the talks po siya eh, parang maganda na mapag-usapan natin to. Kumbaga, hindi na lang to puro sayaw, hindi na lang puro saya. Gusto namin mag-deliver ng story and very personal for the both of us.
That's right.
Especially po ako, hindi po ako nakapag-come out sa father ko.
And that's a regret, no?
Yes, and that's a big, big regret po. And for me to be doing this, I never imagined that I would be able to do it on national TV and doing the thing that I love. So, when that thing was brought up, na, ito po yung storyline na gagawin natin, parang I was really, really emotional, of course, but at the same time, yung joy na nanaig sa akin na finally, at least, masasabi ko siya out loud na maririnig ng mga tao and maririnig ng dad ko.
That's very emotional.
Yes.
That's very, very emotional. Not just for you, but for us.
Yes po.
Na parang, but the conversation will continue with your dad. You will be able to do that in your dance this coming Saturday.
Yes.
So, pero Jay, let me just push it a bit. Kung buhay pa ang tatay, how would you have done it? How would you have, not in dance, but in words, paano ka magka-come out sa dad?
Yung dad ko po kasi very vocal siya sa akin about who he wants me to be.
Right.
And so, parang I was really careful all of the times na I was with him.
With the words that you wanted to say.
Yes, with the words that I wanted to say. But now na I have found myself, I think I would say it in a way na, kung ano man ako, kung sino man ako ngayon, sana matanggap mo ako. I did not expect this. Gagawin ko lahat, actually po lahat ng mga pangarap niya for me. Yun po yung motivation ko hanggang ngayon na makapagtapos ng college, makagraduate ng UP, mag-cum laude sa UP. Yun po lahat, ginawa ko lahat. Kahit despite everything. So, sana proud ka sa akin and gagawin ko lahat para maging masaya ka at masaya yung family natin. Yun lang po.
Tell him you love him.
I love you. And maraming salamat sa paggabay sa bawat araw na nandito ako and sa bawat araw na nakakasayaw ako, ginagawa ko yung mahal ko. Yun lang po. Thank you.